fried salmon. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Let's start cooking now. So you'll need a salmon or any kind of fish. You will cut it, and I added black pepper and salt. What you'll need is a pan, and you'll add butter. And you wait until the butter melts. Butter melts, you're gonna add the fish. You're gonna add it from bottom. And you can leave it until it's cooked. So now you're gonna flip it. And now you're gonna add lemon juice. You're gonna leave it until now, guys. You're gonna take the juice and you're gonna put it on the fish like this, like a steak. Okay, guys. So we're at the end of the video. Hope you like what I made. It didn't take more than 5 minutes. It's really easy to make, and it's also yummy. And before I leave, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Bye bye.